Okay, so the renal capsule is this outside layer. The renal cortex is this portion right here, directly underneath it, followed by the renal medulla. Now, in the renal medulla, you'll have these pink triangular things, and these are the renal pyramids. And in between them, you are going to have the renal columns. The renal papilla is actually the very tip of these pyramids. And the renal sinus is, if you take this whole central portion out, there's going to be a space, and that is called the renal sinus. The major calyx is this central portion right here, and then it branches off into the minor calyxes. And then the major calyx kind of funnels into this white portion right here, and this is called the renal pelvis. Now, if you take this whole center right here, this little opening, it's called the hilus, or the hilus. Now, the nephron is this whole portion all the way up till here. And the nephron starts with the renal corpuscle, and that's shown here, here, and this is actually a really enlarged version of it. Now, within the renal corpuscle, you have the outside lining, which is the Bowman's or glomerular capsule, and inside you have the glomerulus, which is almost like the nuclei, and this is where the capillaries are. Now, back to the renal or the nephron. After the renal corpuscle, you have the proximal convoluted tube, this green portion right here, and then it goes down into the loop of Henle and ends with the distal convoluted tube, and it ends right there. Because from there, from here to here, it becomes the connecting tubule, and then it goes down into the collecting duct. And then from the collecting duct, it turns into the papillary duct. There's no definite portion. We just know that that's the connecting tubules, or the collecting duct is up here, and the papillary duct is down here. And last but least, we have the ureter, which is this portion right outside of the kidney.
Cool. Go right now.
Are you going to put that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, this is the distal convoluted tubule, and this is the proximal convoluted tubule.